The handle on the latest trends from the futures and options space. Mangalam joins in.
Well, it's been a good day so far for the frontline index. If you look at the Nifty as well as the mid-cap index, both of them trading higher levels. The Nifty Bank is actually a bit of an underperformer in the sense that it's not gaining as much as the other indices are. But then there's no problem for the Nifty there because we have the metals index, the autos, as well as the pharmaceutical index, all these sectoral indices leading the Nifty higher, though there is absence from the Nifty Bank as well as the Nifty IT index. So two heavyweight indices are actually not performing in today's rally. The broader markets would have your portfolios feel a lot better today than yesterday. The same time yesterday, the Nifty was close to 24,700 mark. We still had more stocks there was an even keel of advanced decline. Right now, if you look at it, there has been almost 1,800 stocks which are in the green for about 1,000 stocks which are in the red. Those lines are fairly, distant through the course of today's trading session so far. Where do we go from here? That's the big question, right? On the one hand, there is support at the 100-day moving average for the Nifty, which is 24,531. We're slightly above that. But for us to see further short covering, the Nifty has to cross yesterday's high of 24,703 as well. And there are a lot of shorts in the systems. The FIIs actually are just 8% long and 92% short. So if we do cross past yesterday's high, we will perhaps see some short covering ahead of weekly options expiry tomorrow. And then we have the Nifty Bank, which is the 100-day moving average around that 55,000 mark, which is seeing a lot of support. For the Nifty is the 24,600 put, which is extremely active in today's trading session. Put writers believe that around 24,550 thereabouts, there could be some support coming in. The 24,600 call writers haven't given up hope either. They're saying that yesterday's high could act as a bit of a resistance. So 24,670, 24,700, as we move towards that area, we could see some supply. So 24,550 to 24,670 is the broad range that the street is working with ahead of expiry. A couple of stocks on our radar. Alchem seeing a lot of long positions being added for second day running. And we have fresh shorts added on Suzlon. The company reported their numbers. There's been a big 27-28% jump in open interest on the short side here.
Okay, all right. Take that point. Thank you so much, Mangalam, for joining us with what's happening in the F&O space. Let's take a short break. Up next, we'll be joined by the management of Jupiter Wagons to discuss their Q1 earnings.